Trumark presents the tabletop semi-automatic piston filler, suitable to fill low viscous liquid to highly viscous paste products. Piston filler can fill oil, water, shampoo, lotion, juice, paste, creams, sauces, pickles, jams and so on. It can also fill products having small particulates. Machine can be operated by a foot switch or in cyclic mode. Machine works on volumetric filling principle. Filling accuracy is 99.5% or high. It can fill 8 to 10 fills per minute. The filling volume can be easily set just by rotating a knob. Filling speed and pressure can be controlled by adjusting air pressure of pneumatic cylinders. The machine have positive shut-off nozzle which get closed to avoid dripping between two fills. Machine is available with various fill range like 10 to 100 ml or 20 to 200 ml or 50 to 500 ml or 100 to 1000 ml and so on. Filling range can be customized as per user request to avoid changeover parts. Shown video is of machine with fill range 30 to 500 ml. We at Trumark can customize each machine as per user specific requirements. We can also provide ducted heating hopper and stirrer to fill products like jam, petroleum jelly, grease or pressurized hopper to fill hard paste which cannot be pumped easily.